Good morning and welcome to Sunday's episode of today's Daily Spark. Today, I'm going to ask you a really cool question. How would you like to make money while you're sleeping? Well, it is possible, and I learned how to do that myself. When I first started my company, I was doing a lot of professional services, and I was getting burned out. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about if you do professional services and you're paid when you are performing. Well, there are 7 steps that you can take to transform your consulting services into a profitable portfolio of products. And I'm going to tell you how to do that right now. There are really 7 steps to follow to transform your consulting services into products so that you can make money while you're sleeping. One of those ways is create a software product. Software products, once you write the software, market the software, put the software out there in the marketplace, you are basically done with the creation of the product. And really, the most important thing then is to keep your clients happy and to iterate those products so that they stay viable in the marketplace. But let's get back to services. Are you tired of trading time for money? Do you want to build a sustainable business that will generate income even while you're sleeping? The answer lies in transforming your consulting services into tangible products. This shift can not only increase your revenue, but also free up your time to focus on higher level strategic work. Here's how you do it. Number one, identify your core expertise. Analyze your most in-demand service. What is that? Determine common problems that you solve for your clients. Really do what they call a brainstorming session and come up with 20 ideas on how you solve your clients' problems. And once you've done that, pinpoint the knowledge and skills that you can actually package into a product. That's how you do it. You just come up with those ideas and you say, okay, I could package this product in such and such a way. Number two, create valuable content. Develop in-depth content around your core expertise. Now, this could be an ebook, white papers, online courses, or even a webinar. And ensure that your content provides exceptional value to your target audience. So that's the second point. Now, number three, package your expertise. Transform the content into a structured product format. Consider offering different tiers, say basic, standard, and premium, to cater to various customer needs. And then what you do is that you bundle it with complementary services or resources so that you still will be face-to-face with your clients offering complementary services, but you'll also be receiving revenue for your product. Bundle it with resources that enhance your product's value as well. Number four, build a strong online presence. Create a professional website to showcase your products. Optimize your website, of course, and I know you will with search engines to attract organic traffic. Leverage social media platforms to build a community and engage your audience. That's critical. Number five, develop effective sales and marketing strategies. Create a product description that's super compelling and marketing materials that manage that and complement that. So utilize email marketing and content marketing to generate leads. Implement a sales funnel to guide potential customers through the buying process. Number six, automate your process. Set it up, automated systems for delivery and customer support. Utilize digital platforms and tools to streamline operations such as Wix, Squarespace, Kajabi. There's a lot of places to do that on the internet. This frees up your time to focus on product development, marketing, and customer satisfaction. Number 7, continually improve and continuous improvement. Gather customer feedback to refine your product and your focus. Introduce new products and services based on your clients' requests. Stay updated on industry trends to maintain your competitive edge. Remember, AI, this is the era of AI. So the first thing you need to do is think about how I can incorporate AI into my product. And then finally, by following these steps, you can successfully transition from a time-intensive consulting business to a product-based model that generates passive income. Remember, building a successful product takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. What are your thoughts on turning consulting services into products? Share your expertise and challenges in the comments below this video. That's it for today's Daily Spark. I really look forward to reading the comments below. They always create an interesting dialogue amongst our community. And until tomorrow, have a wonderful Sunday.